What you saying, guys and gents? Welcome back to my YouTube channel where we live life the affordable way. My name is Moniqua. Today we have another haul. We have a Temu haul. If you don't know about Temu, you have been missing. Temu literally sells everything for the low. I'm talking the low. They have clothes, shoes, accessories, jewelry. When I say everything, they sell everything. And I want to see what we got today. This is always the fascinating part, opening packages. Who don't like opening packages? So we got, look like our first up is a purse. Open it. Oh, this doesn't look like any purse. This looks like a cute purse. Oh my god. Oh, could talk about nice. This is so cute. Oh my god, I love it. And it also has like a string in the back for like if you want to do like a longer look. But I love me a good little clutch. This is so cute. Oh my god, yes. Temu. We got some shoes. You know, the girl was just telling y'all how she was on a shoes rampage. So we got some white shoes to match the purse. So yeah, as y'all know, I have these in like blue, but y'all can see it. They basically some white little sandals. These are cute. And then we got, look like a dress. This, I really need to stop doing this when I just have the zip on the next side. Let me just open it regular. This is so cute and good quality. This is like a dress. Oh my god, this is so cute. Like, look at it. Oh my god, I think I need to wear this today. Do I? This is so cute. I love it. So that, y'all, I literally could not pass up showing y'all how cute this dress is on me. Like, look at it. I can't wait to style this for y'all. I just needed y'all to see this because this is freaking gorgeous. And then we got some earrings. Y'all know we need our earrings. So I got one set of earrings. So these are basically some little bangles, as y'all know, these earrings just be cute on. So yeah, we got some earrings. So this is basically like a whole little get ready with me set. I'm giving brunch. Y'all, this is literally everything from Temu. Shoes, bag, dress, jewelry, and the outfit came together so cute. Oh my god, links will be down below. So that is basically all I got from Temu. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. That's a cute unboxing. I can't wait to wear everything, and then I'll post the pictures on my Instagram for y'all to see how I styled everything.